Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download and secure your Experian account with monitoring, full guide step by step clearly. To download and secure your Experian account with monitoring, start by visiting the Experian website. Locate the Sign Up or Get Started button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. Provide your personal information, including your name, address, and social security number. Create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Select your desired monitoring services during the sign-up process. Review the terms and conditions carefully before proceeding. Click on the Submit or Create Account button to finalize your registration. Check your email for a confirmation link from Experian. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Log into your Experian account using your email and newly created password. Once logged in, navigate to the monitoring options available in your account dashboard. Set up alerts for changes to your credit report or suspicious activity. Ensure that two-factor authentication is enabled for added security. Add a phone number or an additional email address for recovery options. Regularly review your credit report and monitoring alerts. Consider opting for identity theft protection services if available. Make sure to log out of your account after each session. Periodically update your password to maintain account security. Stay informed about potential scams and how to protect your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.